Hello guys and welcome to my channel Turkish Food by Selma. Today I'm gonna make menemen, which is a very popular and tasty dish that is served for breakfast. I'm gonna show you how to make it for 2 persons with these easy to follow steps. To make this dish you will be needing 2 soft tomatoes, 2 green peppers, 3 eggs, 1 tablespoon butter, 2 tablespoons of oil, I use sunflower oil, 2 tablespoons of grated cheese, I use mozzarella, half a teaspoon of salt, pepper, oregano, and half a teaspoon of pulibat. Start by cutting the ends of the pepper off, then cut it in half along the length of the pepper. Do this for all the peppers. Take all the seeds out of the peppers as they have a tendency to get quickly burnt and that doesn't taste good. Cut the pepper in small pieces as I'm doing here. Peel both tomatoes and remove the hard green part. Cut the tomatoes in half and then in smaller pieces as I'm doing here. Beat the eggs and scramble the eggs. Find a medium-sized pan and turn the heat on high setting. Pour the oil and the butter on the pan once it's hot. The butter adds a creamy and salty taste. First, add the pepper. Once the pepper starts to change color and becomes soft, add the tomatoes. To soften the tomatoes even more, add salt at this point. Once the tomatoes are really soft, use a fork or something similar to mash the tomatoes. Once you're finished, add the eggs into the mix and at this point, turn the heat down to medium. After you're done, add the cheese. Stir the menemen, everything gets mixed really nice. Don't stir it too much and don't overcook it, as it's important that the menemen is not too dry. Once the eggs start to become more solid, put the pepper, chili flakes, and oregano into the pan. Usually menemen is served with white bread, but it is also very delicious with rye bread. As usual, you can find the recipe in the description of this video. Afiyet olsun. Remember to like and subscribe if you liked the video.